Yeah! It looks so good.
Ah! What? Oh my god! My head is just gonna like block the shot every time I eat.
안녕하세요. 제 이름은 나미입니다. Hi, it's Nami and kynd, one of a kind. Does parody videos and dance covers on YouTube here, so you could check out her channel down in the description up in the corner. She's here today because we're gonna be doing her hair.
Yes.
And it's gonna be lots of fun. We're also gonna be doing a music video parody.
Yes, on
her channel. So I'll link the video down below as well, so you can check it out. What was your inspiration for your hair?
Honestly, I think it's just scrolling through TikTok when I was bored, and then I looked in the mirror. I was like, I'm kind of bored of my black hair.
Yeah.
And, yeah, I just wanted to try something new. I'm thinking of like a split purple and pink maybe, but we'll see if we see new colors in the store or whatever. This is the style that we're gonna go for. And yeah, super excited. I haven't done this ever.
This is like your second time dyeing your hair, right?
Yeah, and both times with Nami, so.
I know. Oh my gosh, guys, you don't understand how sad I am. The first time we did her hair, it came out so good. It was like a bright red.
Yep.
And then we lost the footage while we were changing computers. So
I still have to log on my channel, so you
yes,
know.
if you wanted to see
a year and a half ago.
Oh, but I do have this picture from when we did her hair. So
guys, Kai is a professional editor. She's pro. You should see her green screen.
Oh. Literally, I met up with my mom yesterday, and then when I left her, I was like, so just so you know, I'm doing some hair stuff tomorrow with my friend, and you might see me with new hair next week. And she's like, oh, okay.
Wow, she's so supportive.
She was very surprised because, yeah, I was like, this is the last thing I'm gonna tell you before I leave you today.
Oh my gosh, guys, did you know Flaming Hot Cheetos has a Pops version? What? I didn't even know. That's like amazing. What?
Thank you for calling to IB. This is Mina speaking.
Hi, we're just in front of the store. We weren't really sure what colors were available.
Yeah, did you want to come in? We're open.
Okay, great. Then we'll be right in. 대박!
oh, it's so true.
Hello. Good, how are you?
Did you need any help finding anything?
We were thinking of like pinks and purples.
Pinks and purples, so we do have some violets. Not really any pinks. I would suggest maybe looking at the permanent brights.
Ah.
These ones are pretty popular for like our...
So let's say if we're going from black.
Alright, so you're gonna wanna bleach. Do you have the bleach? Because I would recommend.
준비되기마시다. こっちで다 준비했습니다. Kai's gonna sit right in front of me.
Yeah.
And then, do you want the split to happen in the center or on the side?
I think like where my bangs kind of
right?
part, yeah.
Oh, so thick.
She's thick. First time actually bleaching my hair.
I know, last time was just the color too.
Yeah. Well, go big or go home this time. Does it go on smoother?
Yeah, it's kind of like cheesy. Like, you know how cheese kind of melts?
Yeah.
It feels like that. I don't know. It's kind of...
Spreading cottage cheese spread.
Yeah, it's like cream cheese.
Oh my god.
That's what it reminds me of. It's like ASMR. I know. It's crunchy by your ear.
Yeah.
What made you get into YouTube?
I started with J-pop actually. My first video is a J-pop dance cover. I started doing it because of a family friend. Do you know Sachi?
Oh yeah. We talked about it last time.
I started because of her, because she's a
Right,
family
because
friend.
she had a YouTube channel too, and then
I was super competitive and naive back then. I was like, I can do better, because she posted like dance videos back then too. And I was like, I can do it too.
I always thought she was always making like video game stuff.
Yeah, now she's doing all the streaming and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. I had a video camera lying around back then, so I was like, might as well do something with it. Yeah, I didn't have a tripod or anything though. My setup was so whack.
Back in the days when you would stack books.
Yeah. No, mine was even whack. I had like those, you know,
really?
the small garbage bins that you put on your table. I like took out the garbage and like flipped it and then put it on top of a bar stool.
That's funny.
And I didn't even know how to edit back then at all.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I remember you told me you told your sister to press like 1, 2, 3, go, and then you would just upload it raw.
Yeah. Windows Movie Maker world.
Yeah. I started with Windows Movies Maker too.
Oh my god, back in the day. When did you start YouTube?
I made my channel in middle school.
Middle school, wow.
Yeah, I was uploading videos that of like my friends and then my school projects.
Yeah.
I was like, I made this, so I might as well put it up.
Right.
After I was like, oh, I'll just upload every week because that's what YouTubers do.
Right.
So I used to upload like every Friday.
Oh my god.
In high school. Middle school and high school.
Got a little schedule going.
Yeah. I'm trying to do more like family vlog, but I kind of want to shift my content too. I don't know. I feel like as a person, I want to grow too. So
for
like,
sure. I do want to go back to visit for sure. I just miss all the convenience.
Yeah, everything's
just like
so close
fast-paced too.
Yeah.
Because I lived there before I grew as a person.
Right.
It was after I came here that I learned more about myself and stuff like
right.
that. So
it would be a different like
mindset.
Yeah.
Did you immigrate here right away?
Yeah, I came when I was like 4.
Ah, so still pretty young.
And then I've just always been in Toronto. I want to like take the kids and live short term, maybe like a year or 2, just so they can experience a different culture.
For sure.
Yeah, I moved a lot too because my mom's salon 6 times.
Wow.
But sometimes I would move like in the same street.
Right.
Because like the lease had to be ended or whatever. I moved neighborhoods like 3 times. And same thing with Michael. I find like that's a common theme in immigrant families, like having to move a lot. But I feel like in a way YouTube, the reason why people go into YouTube are kind of similar, like just to put stuff somewhere.
Yeah, for sure.
And then find a community.
Yeah, exactly. And the funny thing is sometimes my high school friends or like earlier friends would send me links. Like it would be a message request and I'd open it and be like, is this you? Yes.
That's so funny.
Yeah, they still recognize me.
Is this you?
I haven't really like changed that much appearance-wise.
Ooh. No, your big brain, like even more big brain.
Big brain. At the edge of the frame.
We're eating miakuk with some tubu.
맛있어.
Hi, Ziek.
Hi, Ziek. My head is just gonna like block the shot every time I eat. Are you okay?
It's so funny. Oh, the seaweed was like about to be swallowed, and then she's just like, "What the heck's wrong with me?"
I'm like concerned. Are you like okay?
Because I was trying not to spit it out. Oh my gosh! Have you ever like laughed and you spat out your food? Yeah. Because you actually did block the frame.
And I whoop.
私のお母さんがこれ作りました。で、旦那さんバカイゴマンデロコ。And then I made the rice.
Nice. We love 3 languages and I understood every single.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh, your turn. You
My
got to go
turn?
like Canto Mando.
Oh my god.
I mean, Mandarin Canto. I said Canto. Unintentional reference.
이거 너무 맛있어. 맛있어. 我正在染头发.
Oh.
I'm dyeing my hair.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. 跟Nami一起.
Namiicho.
一緒に食べる.
一緒に食べる. おいしい. Meow. 1, 2, 3. Thanks. Meow.
Wait, it's that new thing, right? Oh my god.
Meow. 1, 2, 3. Thanks.
I did not understand that.
It's like the literal translation.
You're Super Saiyan! Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna see myself blonde for the first time.
I know.
Crazy. That's crazy.
I mean, now's the time to change your hair.
I know.
You can already see some of it.
Yeah. Oh my god! Wow! Oh, she blonde. Oh my god, I look like those 90 boy bands.
Oh yeah! The frosted
Oh
tips.
my god! Yo, this is so wild.
That's so blonde.
So blonde. Yeah.
It looks so good. No, this is so cool how it's turning.
Yeah.
Like it's just changing color on
Oh
the
really?
spot.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Wow.
Here, you can hold the camera.
Ah! What? Oh my god.
So I'm just getting like the outsides first so that we can make sure we don't miss any.
Oh.
And then we'll go in
Yeah.
with the layers.
Oh my god, I realized I'm gonna match with my glasses. The shades of pink and purple.
You're right.
Oh my god, I did not think of that.
It makes sense if you liked your glasses
Yeah,
and you like the
right?
shades that you chose, that they end up very similar.
Yeah, and I have a lot of like pink and purple kind of clothes in my closet. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Cute. You'll be
Love.
matching with your hair.
Hi Ziek. Oh, it hit.
He ran away. Oh my gosh, if it's already this bright, it's gonna keep turning like darker and darker. Pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so bright.
That's the purple we already put on.
But the pink one is like bright looking. The shade we chose was like softer pink. And then this one is supposed to turn dark violet, so interesting.
Science.
Science!
So bright.
I know, it's like, it's actually neon.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my god. Yo. Oh my god. Just directing while kneeling on the floor. I'm dead. Alright, cool. Literally just like, oh my god. What is going on here? But yeah, cool. Underground.
Is there a dance choreo for this yet?
Yes, she just performed it today.
Wow. Today?
Yeah, and the choreo is literally on the ground.
Oh.
And fun fact, unironically, a lot of her parts, even in Blackpink choreos, are on the ground. Like, Rosé's just in the middle walking down.
I should stop here.
Yeah. Love that. Alright, we good.
The water is pink. The embodification of nerds. Candy packaging. Willy Wonka's.
2 flavors in one.
Swirly. We have a fiber fix-in so that we could repair.
While we multitask and continue filming for the
Yes.
parody.
Now I'm in all white.
Yes. We love an outfit change. So Rosé is like here.
She's already standing.
Yeah.
Okay.
She's standing here. You're kind of like, yeah. Get those angles and yes, work. Go. Yeah. Yes. Amazing.
It looks so good.
Oh my god.
Yo, and it's so shiny.
Yeah.
Wow.
Shiny literally.
Literally. Don't call me. Don't call me.
Stream, don't call me. Stand shiny. Oh, Dyson.
Tell me if it's too hot or
It's good.
Oh, this color is so pretty.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Like as it dries, it gets like
Oh, true.
more and more bright.
Yeah.
And around your root, it looks almost like caramel. Wow, this purple is really rich. I know, and look at the different types of purple in there.
What is happening?
진짜 이쁘다.
Yeah.
Look at how the color is really pretty. And then turn around. Like the way that the back.
I feel like I'm doing yoga.
Stretching. It looks so good. It's
Thanks
like
to you.
it's dimensional. Actually, you're the one who picked the colors.
True.
They-
But you
they
did the
suit-
thing.
They
Girl.
suit so well, like to each other. And we did it so short. Like we only did bleach once, and then the dye once, and the color came out like perfect.
I guess my hair just takes color well. Because
Yeah.
I just don't do it very often, I guess. Like even last time
it's
it
already
picked up
super
really well.
healthy. So yeah, pretty. There's like different shades of like purple, different shades of coral, and then the root also is not as like
Here's
flat.
the top of my
The top of her head. Check out Kai's channel and check out the MV parody we filmed and give this video a thumbs up if you think the color turned out good. I feel like the colors suit each other so well. And we will see you in the next video.
Bye!
Bye!
Going to my roots.